Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. here. Today we are talking about fuel economy in the new Ford Bronco. Now this Bronco does have the 2.3 liter base engine, which has plenty of juice, a 10-speed automatic, which you can get a 7-speed manual, and 373s. Has the hardtop, and it is a big toaster on wheels. Surprisingly enough though, it does really good on fuel economy. So after this bad boy fills up, I'm going to show you what we got over a long-term drive and in the short term. Alright, so my fuel economy test basically was, we did have a long road trip, about 390 miles, where both my wife and I drove. So one heavy foot, one lighter foot. We did drive it in sport, eco, and normal for the totality of the miles. Now they gave this to me with 1 mile on it. It was a loaner, while my Super Duty was in the shop. So you can do instantaneous fuel economy, average fuel economy, trip 1, trip 2. And it does take 87 octane, and I am very pleased with how square and non-aerodynamic this vehicle is, how well it did on fuel economy. So before I show you those numbers, make sure you hit the subscribe button for me. Helps the small channel out. Thumbs up and notification bell so you know when I'm posting new content. All right, so I didn't reset it over the last tank, and I haven't reset it yet. At 65 and under, you'll peak at 26, which is way above the sticker, but I think this is on par, and hand calculated against this, it's no more than 0.8 off, but typically it's under 0.5, so you are very, very close. So there is my average fuel economy since the last reset. Now let's go down to trip 1. So we're going to scroll down here. So over 6 hours, and I had lots of remote starts. It's been cold here. 176.8 miles, 22.6, so almost 23 miles a gallon. Very, very happy with that. Now you're thinking, oh, that's not a lot of data or time. So I left trip 2 there for you to check out. So over 16 hours and 58 minutes of run time. That's driving and remote starting. 22.1 miles a gallon, over 624 miles. Now, I've always said that your driving habits will affect your fuel economy. So if you're always in the turbo, you might go down a smidge. But to be honest with you, my wife was always in the turbo. And this car has plenty of power. And even in sport mode and everything, that is our average of fuel economy over this long-term review, and I think it will get better as you go. And of course you can drive it in eco, all the modes, just change throttle response and everything like that. And I think that this is right on par with the window sticker. I think it's very good. Now if you go with the big 3 liter, I think obviously your fuel economy will probably match that window sticker, which will be lower. If you get the vehicle that has bigger meat hook tires on it, these are just a very mild all-terrain, like normal all-terrain tire you see on most vehicles on the road, so nothing aggressive there. But again, we just drove it like normal. Most time we left it normal, drove it in sport for about 60-70 miles, and normal, plenty of power, plenty of everything. So I hope that helps you guys understand where the fuel economy should be, right around and maybe. And as always, I appreciate you guys being here, and we'll catch you on the next one.